everyone! Today we will have a look at some bird idioms. Are you ready? Let's begin. Kill two birds with one stone means to produce two desired effects with one action. Fox in a hen house means someone causes trouble. Ugly duckling means an ugly person that grows up to be beautiful or handsome. Eagle-eyed means with very sharp vision. Subscribe. Early bird means likes getting up early. Bird's eye view means view from a very high place. Count one's chickens before they're hatched means think of using something before actually getting it. Fly the coop means escape or leave. Night owl means likes staying up until late. Like. Home bird means person who likes to stay at home. Wild goose chase means a search that is useless. Sick as a parrot means very disappointed.
Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.